Hi, hello, I'm Sumalata. Welcome to Math Guru channel. In this video, I'm going to explain 8th class Maths Chapter 2 Linear Equations in One Variable Exercise 2.5 First question. First question is solve the following equations. Okay, few equations are given, we need to solve. In that third bit, I'm going to explain. Third bit equation is z by 2 plus z by 3 minus z by 6 is equals to 8. This is the given equation. Now we need to solve. How to solve? Once see the denominators, these are unlike fractions. Okay, so better to take LCM. Okay, now for 2, 3, 6, LCM is 6. Why? Because for 2, 3, 6, common table is 6. So LCM 6 we can consider. Now 2 in 6, 3 times it will go, 3 into Z, plus 3 in 6, 2 times it will go, so Z into 2. Numerator Z only there, so numerator is compulsory, we need to write, minus here 6 in 6 one time it will go, so numerator z into 1, which will 8. Okay, now 3z plus 2z minus z, z1 is z, right? By 6 is equal to 8. Now you should add 3 plus 2, 5. 5z minus z by 6 is equal to 8. Now 5z minus z means 4z. If you subtract 1z from 5z, you will get 4z by 6 is equals to 8. Now 4z is equals to 8 into 6. Transpose of division will becomes multiplication. So now you have to do the cancellation. 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8. Okay, now into 6 is there. Okay, 2 6 are 12. So z is equals to 12 we can. Okay, next to fourth equation, 2p by 3 minus p by 5 is equals to 11 2 by 3. This is the mixed fraction is given. First we need to convert into improper fraction. Okay, here for 3 and 5 LCM is 15. Okay, 3 5 is 15, common table. Okay, now 3 in 15, 5 times it will go, so 3 5 is 15, no, so 3 5 times it will go, so 5 into numerator 2p minus here p into 5 in 15 3 times it will go is equals to, now you should convert into improper fraction. How we can convert? 11 3s are 33, or 3 11s are 11 3s are 33. 33 plus 2 35, 35 by denominator 3, like that only we should write. Now 5 2s are 10p minus 3p by 15 is equal to 35 by 3. Now 10 minus 3 7. Okay, 7p by 15 is equals to 35 by 3. Now 7p is equals to 35 by 3 into 15. Okay, 3 ones are 3 5s are 15. If you do the cancellation, now 35 into 5 it will becomes 7p is equals to 35 into 5. Now p is equal to here 35 into 5 divided by 7. Transpose of multiplication will give us division. So now you can do the cancellation. 7 1s are 7, 7 5s are 35. Okay, after cancellation p is equals to 5 into 5. Now p is equals to 5 5s are 25. Okay, now next fifth equation. See, these are the mixed fractions are given, we need to convert into mixed fraction. Sorry, mixed fraction is given, we need to convert into improper fraction. Okay, 9 4s are 30 36, 36 plus 1 37, 37 by 4 is equals to here y minus here 3 ones are 3, 3 plus 1 4, 4 by 3. Now y is equals to y have to write here only is equals to here 37 by 4 transpose of minus 4 by 3 is plus 4 by 3. Y is equals to, now 4 and 3 you can take the LCM, that common table is 12, right? Now 37 into 4 in 12 3 times it will go, so 37 into 3 plus 4 into 3 in 12 4 times it will go, so 4 into 4. Now y is equals to 37 3s are, you will get 111 plus 4 4s are 16 by 12. Y is equals to, if you add these two numbers you will get 127 by 12. Okay, next sixth one, x by 2 minus 4 by 5 plus x by 5 plus 3x by 10 is equal to 1 by 5. Okay, now you can write first plus numbers. Okay, see here x by 2 plus x by 5, here minus 4 by 5 plus 3x by 10 is equal to 1 by 5. Next, all x terms one side and constants one side. So all x term I wrote here only. Now here only without x term, that is constant term, this is only 1, that we need to take the transpose. So I took the transpose. After that, now for 2, 5, 10 LCM we can take as 10. Why? Because common table is 10 only for these all numbers. So x numerator into, here 2 in 10 5 times it will go, so x into 5 plus x into 2. Why? Because 5 in 10 2 times it will go, plus 3x into 10 in 10 one time it will go. So which is equals to, here like fractions are there, directly we need to add the numerators. So 1 plus 4 5 it will come. Next step I will write 5 into x 5x plus 2 into x 2x plus 3 into x 3x by 10 is equal to 5 by 5. Now here if you add, you will get the 10x by 10 is equals to 5 by 5, in the sense 1 we can write, yes or no? 1 we can write. 5 ones are 5 ones are. Okay, so 10 ones are and 10 also will get cancel, numerator and denominator. Okay, so x is equal to 1 you will get. Next, seventh one, x by 2 minus 1 by 4 is equal to x by 3 plus 1 by 2. Okay, now you can separate the terms, x terms and variable terms. X by 2 here plus x by 3 will becomes minus x by 3 is equal to 1 by 2 as it is. Here minus 1 by 4 will becomes plus 1 by 4 transpose if you take. Okay, now for these two numbers LCM is 6, common table for 2 and 3. So x numerator into 2 3s are 6, no, so 3 times it will go, so x into 3 minus x into 2. Why? Because 3 in 6 2 times it will go, right? Which is equals to, for these two numbers also take LCM is 4. 2 into 1 plus 1 into 1 you will get. Now 3x minus 2x divided by 6 is equals to, here 2 ones are 2 plus 1 by 4. Okay, now you can do the subtraction. 3x minus 2x 1x, x by 6 is equal to 3 by 4. Now x is equal to 3 by 4. Here transpose of division will becomes multiplication. So now you can do the cancellation. 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6. Okay, with 2 table we can do the cancellation. Now x is equals to 3 3s are 9 by 2. We can get 9 by 2. Next, eighth one, see given that this one. Next we can do the cross multiplication. So 3 into 2x minus 3 is equal to minus 2 into 3x plus 2. Okay, now 3 2s are 6x minus 3 3s are 9 is equals to minus 2 3s are 6, 6x, here minus into plus minus 2 2s are 4. Okay, 6x transpose of minus 6 plus 6x is equals to minus 4 as it is. Now minus 9 transpose plus 9. Okay, next x plus 6x plus 6x 12x, if you add, then which is equals to 9 minus 4, in the sense 5 it will get if you do the subtraction. Now x is equal to 5 by 12. Here I took the transpose. Okay, next, here next ninth one, 8p minus 5 by 7p plus 1 is equal to minus 2 by 4 is there. We can do the directly cancellation. 2 1s are 2 2s are 4. Okay, now 8p minus 5 by 7p plus 1 is equal to minus 1 by 2 remaining number. Now you can do the cross multiplication. So 2 into 8p minus 5 is equal to minus 1 into 7p plus 1. Now you can multiply within inside the bracket. Now 2 8s are 16p minus 2 5s are 10 is equal to minus 7p. Here minus into plus minus 1. Okay, now 16p plus 7p is equals to, now you can take the transpose of minus will becomes 10 plus 10. Here minus 1 as it is. Now if you add these two numbers, you will get 23p is equals to 9. Okay, 10 minus 1 in the sense 9 only, no. Now p is equal to 9 by 23. Next, 10th one is this one. Now directly do the cross multiplication. So 11 into 7y plus 2, 5 into 6y minus 5. Now inside the bracket you can multiply. 11 7 is 77 plus 11 2s are 22 is equals to 5 6 are 30y minus 5y is 25. Now 77y, here transpose of plus 30 will becomes minus 30, which is equals to minus 25. Transpose of plus 22 will becomes minus 22. So if you do the subtraction of 77 minus 30, you will get 47y is equals to minus 47 if you add these two numbers. Why? Because these are the same sign, both numbers having same sign, then we should do the addition and we should keep that sign only in the answer. So y is equals to minus 47 divided by 47. Okay, now y is equal to minus 1. Why? Because 47 ones are 47 ones are, we can do the cancellation. Okay, next 11th one, this is the given simple equation. For that you can take the LCM. 18 is the common table for 6 and 9, so 18 I am taking LCM. So 6 in 18 3 times it will go, so 3 into number of times 3 into numerator x plus 5 is minus, here 9 in 18 2 times it will go, so 2 into x plus 1 is equals to x plus 3 by 4. Now you can multiply 3x plus 3 5 is 15 minus 2x, here minus into plus minus 2 ones are 2 by 18 is equals to x plus 3 by 4. Okay, next here you can do the subtraction x, here 15 minus 2 means 13, x plus 13 by 18 is equal to x plus 3 by 4. Now we can take the transpose, x plus 13 is equal to x plus 3 by 4 into 18 it will get. Okay, now 2 table you can use, 2 2s are 4, 2 9s are 18. Okay, now x plus 13 is equals to, here with 9 you can multiply, 9x plus 9 3s are 27 by 2 as it is. Now you can take 2x, here cross multiplication I am doing, here any number not there means we can take as 1, so 2 into this number and 1 into this number we can take cross multiplication. So 2 into x 2x plus 2 13s are 26 is equals to 1 9 is 9x plus 1 7 1 27s are 27. Okay, now after getting this you have to separate the variable terms and constant terms. Now 9x minus 2x is equals to 26 minus 27. Now 7x, if you do the subtraction then you will get 7x. 7x is equals to minus 1. X is equal to minus 1 by 7 we can write. Why? Because transpose of multiplication will give division. Okay, next last one in this question, this is the given equation. Okay, now take the LCM for these two numbers. 112 is the LCM, so 16 7s are 112, so 16 in 112 7 times it will go, so 7 into this numerator 3t plus 1 is minus, here 7 in 112 16 times it will go, so 16 into 2t minus 3 by 112 is equal to, here same manner 8 14 8s are 56. Okay, now 8 7s are 56, no, so now that 7 into t plus 3 is plus 4 into 3t minus 1. Okay, now you can multiply inside the bracket, 21t plus 7 minus 16 2s are 32, here plus 16 3s are 48 by 112 is equals to 70 plus 70 plus 7 3s are 21 plus 4 3s are 12 minus 4 1s are 4. Okay, now divided by 112. Here also 56, same as it is we should write. Okay, next here we can do the cancellation with 56 table. 56 ones are 56 twos. Okay, now here you can do the subtraction. Here greater number having minus symbol, right? Now here you will get minus only. 32 minus 21, 11t, plus here 7 plus 48, you will get 55 by 2 is equals to here 19t, 19t plus 17. Okay, here 19t, here plus 17. Why? Because here we need to subtract by 56. Okay, next here minus 11t plus 55 by 2 is equals to 90 plus 17 by 2. That's it. Okay, here you can do the cross multiplication. Minus 11t plus 55 is equal to 2 into 19t plus 17. Now minus 11t plus 55 is equal to 2 19s are 38t plus 2 17s are 34. Now here you can take the transposing the terms. 38 as it is minus 11 transpose will become plus 11t is equals to here 55 as it is transposer plus 34 will becomes minus 34. Now 38 plus 11 49t is equal to, if you do the subtraction you will get 21. Okay, very simple. 5 minus 4 1, 5 minus 3 2. Now t is equal to 21 by 49. Okay, now 7 7s are 49, 7 3s are 21. Okay, now therefore t is equals to 3 by 7. Okay, I hope you understood. Thank you for watching. Do subscribe my channel. Please support me. Thank you once again.